Welcome to a beautiful coffee session with aromatic coffee. Let me introduce myself. I am Dr. Madhumita Banerjee. I am a medical professor, an artist, an art educator. And I love innovating with new materials, and coffee is one of them. So, you will be happy to know that I am working as art educator in the global all-women platform Daily Designers. It's a very prestigious platform and it is doing much for promoting art and culture in India, US and internationally. So friends, I welcome you all to a lovely, intoxicating session of coffee painting with Dr. Madhumita Banerjee. For a session of coffee painting, what do you need? You just need coffee sachets. Any coffee, any instant coffee that is present in your home, you can have them. These are Nescafe coffee sachets. What more you need? You need a brush. One brush will do, a round bodied brush. Or you can have a flat brush as well. Then if you have a color palette, it is good. Even if you don't have, then any simple plate will do. Okay, and then you can have a spoon for mixing the coffee, a little bit of water, and you enjoy your coffee. Have fun, it's good, it's enjoyable. Hassle-free painting, coffee painting. To select a reference. What will you like to make? This is my basket of flowers. What will you like? Should I make a tulip? Let's make a tulip. A pink or a white, whatever. Okay? So I'll select a tulip and let's make it. If you join the course, we'll make all these flowers. Beautiful, aren't they? Now we prepared the mother solution, concentration of coffee paint. So what I do, I cut open a coffee sachet and then I just pour it in this glass beaker, or you can do it directly here. Then what I do, the next step is I add a bit of water. Now I pour in a little bit here, the coffee. Just few pinches, Then I must mix it properly. If I don't mix it properly, then it won't be smooth. So let me pour in a little bit. Here, and just a drop. Like in sketching or in watercolors, we need to have a little bit knowledge about the elements of art. I hope you all know about the elements of art. Do you? Oh, no issues. There are 7 elements of art, and these are line, shape, color, form, space, value, and texture. And you can, with coffee, you can demonstrate them all, You see, I've just done it for you. These are how we are doing the lines, different types of lines. And then we can make a shape like a square or a circle or a triangle. And then how we make the shapes are in 2 dimension. And we want everything to be realistic. So we made a form. So can you recall what I told you? Number 1 element is line. Number 2 is shape. Number 3 is form. Number 4 is color. Number 5 is value. Number 6 is space. And number 7 is texture. So you know about the lines. These are different types of lines: straight line, curved line, zigzag line, vertical line, a horizontal line, a broken line, a dotted line, then we have a looped line. All these things, they come under line. And then shape. These are the shapes. We have geometrical shapes as well as organic shapes. The shape that is present in nature, like this stone, this is organic shape. Okay? So these are geometrical shapes which I have shown you. The square, the circle, the triangle, these are the shapes. But the shapes are in 2 dimensions. Now, what is form? Form is when light falls on a shape, it magically transforms into a form, a 3-dimensional form, which has a brightest spot called the highlight. Then it has the mid zone, the core shadow, and the cast shadow. So these I deal with you when I demonstrate it in details. So next step that is very, very important is the value. We know the coffee has this beautiful color of coffee, and the next step is value. So this is with coffee, and you see I have got 9 values with this simple coffee. This is the lightest or the brightest, and this is the darkest. This is what we use when we are doing sketching, or we are doing watercolors, or we are doing acrylic or oils. So the base remains the same. Okay, so this is how we obtain different values. These I do with you, explore with you in details in my detailed course. So once you have the values, then, or this is also called coffee scale, then you know, just like with watercolors or with oil colors, we can do different backgrounds. Sometimes we need different backgrounds. I'll show you. These we can do with different simple things, just see, this is with salt. I just apply coffee paint here and then I sprinkle salt over here. Or I can do a wash, or I can use a paper towel to create the effect of clouds, or I use a cling film to get a very unique effect. Or you can use aluminium foil, or you can use splattering with this toothbrush. You can do it. So I will be sketching this beautiful tulip with you, and we can do it very easily. We know the tulip has 5 petals, and we are seeing only a side view. Okay, and this is pink color, but we will be doing it with coffee. Okay, so you will be using different values. That is why the values are very important, That is why I always insist on doing the value study. Okay, and when you join the class, then I'll be doing the value study with you. Okay, so this is my tulip done so fast. Lovely, isn't it? And you can, and one more thing, the sketching should be very light, so it is not very tough. That is why I selected this, or I could have I have done. So you just need to sketch, and you can create anything. You see, this is a portrait I have done with coffee painting. You can see the effects that I have done. These effects I'll teach you how to create them. Then I made this rose in a glass jar, rose flowers. You see, there's a bud here also, And here also, it's so beautiful, you know. And this is a sculpture of Yakshini that I've done with coffee painting. Lots and lots of details. This lion, the tiger I have done, ferocious. You can do anything, you know. And this sweet little bird, the sparrow, that also. And see the background comes out so beautiful. This wonderful, majestic horse. And I have done lots and lots like this beautiful. It took me a lot of time. I made Rabindranath Tagore, the famous Nobel laureate, with coffee painting. Anyway, it took me many, many hours and many days. At least 30, 40 hours. It smells heavenly and it looks heavenly, isn't it? So, friends, we can all do anything, you know. And this is a simple reference because you all are just starting with it. So, I want you to be able to make it along with me. You just see and do along with me. So, and it will come out so beautifully. Oh, and the drawing is also very easy. Nothing tough. Are you making it with me? So, this is the sketching done. Now, I'm in a hurry. I feel I want to start the coffee painting. This is the reference, or you can select any reference that you want. And my dear friends, I want you to do it with me. It is a fun, easy, doable and enjoyable exercise, and we can all do it together. In my class also, I'll be hand holding you and will be encouraging you at every step. And I don't think asking questions is interruption. I call it interaction. If you won't ask, how will I know? So see, what I am doing is I am using a light or a high value of coffee paint, and whenever you paint, you must decide which side is facing the light. Now for me, this side is facing the light, so the petal here will be a bit dark. So you see, we are using different values. Not difficult at all. Are you able to do it? So just watch me. It is very easy. You will really relish it. Okay, so this is how we go. And all the petals we are doing, this side will be light, so I'll make it more light. And always, if you see, the base of the petal is always dark. So we'll make it a bit dark. Okay. This is more away from the light, so it is darker. This is all that I teach, and it is so beautiful. You can make it. Aren't you able to do it? Yes. And now I will do the stalk or the stem. Okay. And now this leaf is very dark. Although it is dark, this side is facing the light. So this side will be lighter as compared to the other side, which is away from light. Friends, here it is. So, did you enjoy your coffee session? Wasn't it fun, exciting and doable? Yes, it is very relaxing and enjoyable. You can make something like this also. A coffee mug with the beans, or there are so many things which I showed you. So friends, I'll be with you in the process, hand holding you, and The more you interact, the more you ask questions, you will learn more easily. And we can all enjoy together in this platform, The Daily Designist. So, what are you waiting for? Do join Daily Designist and learn so much about the coffee painting. Bye. Thank you for watching me. Thank you. I'm Dr. Madhumita Banerjee.